Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. The Soyuz MS-23 spacecraft docked unmanned to the International Space Station tonight to replace the damaged Soyuz MS-22. The broadcast was on the Roscosmos channel. A Soyuz 2 rocket with the Soyuz MS-23 spacecraft was launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome on February 24th. The spacecraft headed for the ISS under a two-day scheme. Docking Soyuz MS-23 to the module Poisk was carried out in automatic mode under control of specialists on the ground. The ship delivered 430 kilograms of cargo to the station, among them medical and sanitary supplies, life support systems, and equipment for scientific, biological, and medical experiments. It's assumed that the Russian-American crew of the damaged ship Soyuz MS-22 will return to Earth in the fall on Soyuz MS-23. They are cosmonauts Sergey Prokopyev, Dmitry Petelin, and astronaut Francisco Rubio. Recall that on December 15, 2022, Roscosmos reported the cancellation of spacewalks of Russian cosmonauts from the ISS because of depressurization of spacecraft Soyuz MS-22, and almost 2 months later it became known about the depressurization of the cargo ship Progress MS-21. Both spacecraft were inspected, and holes of 0.8 and 12 mm in diameter were found on both. According to the Roscosmos, both holes punctured elements of space debris. At the moment, the damaged Progress MS-21 spacecraft has already been undocked from the station and sunk, and the damaged Soyuz MS-22 is planned to undock from the station in the coming weeks. After that, it will be returned to Earth in unmanned mode. Thus, the mission of 2 Russian cosmonauts and 1 NASA astronaut is extended by 6 months, and they will spend about 1 year on the station. Previously, the spacecraft Soyuz MS-23 was supposed to deliver to the ISS cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko and Nikolai Chub, as well as NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara. They will now travel to the ISS this September on Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft. Space Daily News. Like, share, and subscribe.